What's up, y'all? Got about 5 hours, 7 hours left of this. Yeah, about 7 hours left of this dry day fast. And you know what? To me, it feels like, because of how much I filmed, it's like how much the videos are, but it's like I barely can speak. You know, I keep having to switch my mouth out just so I can speak to y'all. Oof. I just think it's like that for a reason, because my body's healing. You know, the damage, even though it's done to my vocal cords. I gotta sprint to get up, to go put some switch under my mouth just so I can speak. It's a lot. And it just goes to show me that this dry fast especially is for me. Can't wait to tell y'all more about it. Some other things happen. DM us on Instagram, healingthroughinspiration, or email us at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject coaching. Gotta put the oils on my neck. Try to heal it. Throat. As I do this, I get remnant memories of my biological mother who's wicked. Just fade away. Someone tries to act like they know something they don't. This is why part of the reason why I want to keep this thing running. So I get to see. Somebody trying. Because the fasting, they're not really saying much. I'd rather express the healing better. Try to catch the live breaking on camera. Might be outside with it. Depends. Getting some air. Who knows? Haven't been able to get much because it's Michigan and it's cold. So yeah, you know how that is. Freezing and stuff. So there's a consultation info Healing Through Inspiration. healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Business course in the description box. Artwork. Check us out. Amazing and Barrel. Check us out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all that great stuff. Peace.